This video is going to be me recovering from some really bad test scores. I did not think I would do that bad. I feel like I prepared so much and I did bad. So it's officially spring break, and it sucks that you can't enjoy your spring break because you did bad on your exam. So my room is a reflection of how I feel right now. I'm going to recover, clean, do laundry, all that stuff. So this is me recovering from some bad exam scores and pushing through, because I don't deserve to live in the environment I'm putting myself in just because I feel like I didn't do good enough. I just had my exam last night and I already had the test back this morning, which is just not something I wanted to wake up to. I actually had 2 exams posted this morning, so both bad grades, both grades I just wish I didn't get. I wish I would have done better. There's nothing I can do now. It's just frustrating. So I want to show you guys my room right now. I have to put some dishes away up here. This needs to be cleaned. So does this. This is all stuff from this morning or yesterday's morning. Stuff everywhere. Clothes, dirty clothes. My Bible's on the floor, which is just not a good sign. Need to make my bed. My sister's friend bought me cookies because he knew I was having a rough day. Shout out David. And then need to clean these. And my laundry bin currently is getting full, and that's not with everything in it, so have to do laundry tonight too. Actually, I'm gonna start this video with me taking a shower and having like an in-depth shower care routine, and then I will clean the clothes. That way I can put my towels in this outfit in the dirty clothes. So we'll start with the shower. Okay, let's go. Here's what I'm using in the shower. Soap & Glory Smoothie Star Body Wash, Heritage shampoo, Way conditioner for thick hair. Actually, I might use this hair mask from Trader Joe's. And I actually left my face wash at home on accident, so no washing my face. Time to shower. I feel so much better.
She's so lovely, can't think of another word to say. She's so lonely, but she tries to run away.
I don't know that anyone's really still in the building because it's officially spring break, so laundry to myself.
Girl, why won't you stay? She's so lovely. She's so lovely.
for my favorite breakfast. I literally look forward to this every day. I think it's because I'm low on protein and I like crave this every single morning. Also, I'm hoping that the ice that I just put in the ice tray is solid so that I can have an iced coffee. That'd be so good. But it's like 7 o'clock right now in the morning. I don't know what got me up so early, but I'm glad it did because my room is so clean. I just have to do my laundry and like wipe down the counters. And I'm actually house sitting this weekend for my aunt, so I packed my bag. I'm all ready for that. I'm gonna have a self-care weekend at her house because I'll have the whole house to myself and puppies to play with because she has 2 puppies, 2 Aussies. I have RA stuff this morning, so we have to do like a spring closing checklist for all the rooms. So I don't know how long that's gonna take, but I'm just happy that I got all this stuff done before. I literally, I washed my rug, I washed my blankets, I washed my sheets, my comforter, and then my clothes. So I washed everything I could think of because it's spring cleaning also. So yeah, I'm just really happy with the progress that I made. I still have all these dishes I need to do, but I have some time till I actually need to do that. Maybe I'll do it after my laundry, but yeah, right now, let me show you the breakfast. It's literally just 2 oatmeal packets, and then when it's done, I take peanut butter and jelly and I put it in there. So good. It's genuinely so good.
Whiskey sour in your breast, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, only two. Turn me around, only two. Whiskey sour in your breast, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, only two. Turn me around, only two. Whiskey sour in your breast, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, only two. Turn me around, only two. Whiskey sour in your breast, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, only two. Turn me around, only two. Whiskey sour in your breast, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, only two. Turn me around, only two.
That is all for cleaning up my environment after midterms. I'm gonna be doing some MCAT and stuff like that over spring break, so maybe I'll film some of that with you guys and post it. But that is all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are recovering well from midterms or just having a good spring break, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!